Hello my darlings, let me show you how I achieved this cute bridal hairstyle on this model. You can see how gorgeous she looks even on the pictures. Let's get into this look. And of course, Gary did the face bit. This girl is so talented. If you want to book her, just go to Instagram. Her Instagram handle is Gary. She does a very nice job, like extremely nice. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So today we're doing a bridal hairstyle and we're going to need a closure wig. This is a closure wig. I think it's about 20 inches roughly. So I installed the wig. I also have another video on how I installed the wig. So if you want to watch how I installed or how you can install a closure wig, then probably go to my videos and you will see I have an install video. But anyway, so right now I was trying to section the side part, and after sectioning some of that hair, now I clip that away so I can work on the rest of the hair. Then after I was done with that, I went ahead and separated some of the hairs that I wanted to have, because I wanted her to have some side curls on her face. I sectioned that side and then I went ahead and sectioned the other side of the hair, and then I started slicking down the rest of the hair just to make sure that the wefts are not visible. Then after everything is secured, I use a rubber band to tie the hair into a back ponytail. Then I take some got2b spray and I spray it on top of the hair, and I'm trying to get rid of all the flyaways. So I just spray and then I use a brush to just brush all the hair down, make sure that they're all going in the same direction and they're all laid so it's as neat as possible. After that is done, then I take some hair from the ponytail and I wrap it around the ponytail, just make sure that it's as secured as possible. Guys, guess what? Kiliniramba, I had to remove the entire ponytail and just figure a way out ya kuweka the bun again, because remember, I am not really very experienced when it comes to bridal hairstyling, and it's something that I'm trying to learn right now, and I want to be learning as I'm teaching other people as I learn, if that makes sense. And it's completely okay to do something wrong the first time. So basically now here I was just spinning that because I wanted it to puff up a little bit, so I was just spinning down some hair that I had. I think I should have used maybe like a donut bun or something, but the hair was the only thing that was accessible to me, so at that time I just had to use something else different. So yeah, I was pinning that down. Then I tied the hair that I didn't put in the ponytail apo katikati, as you can see on the video. I don't know if I was doing it correct, but at least I got to achieve what I wanted. So now here I was okay. I think I got a comment that I should not, when I'm doing voiceovers, I should talk as if like I'm actually doing the video at that exact moment. So let me try and do that. So right now I am just trying to nimegawanisha the hair ikwe in a way that inaweza funika the bun, and then I take the lower remaining piece of the hair and then I try to tuck it into the ponytail and then pin it down. So I realized that I should have just braided down the lower part of the ponytail, because that would have made it easier for me to pin it down, because at least there's that grip. But I feel like I was struggling a little bit. But anyway, let's continue the process. So now here I'm trying to see where I need to comb it out, just make sure that it's as straight as possible and make sure that none of those flyaways are on the way. It should be as sleek as possible. When you have a look at it, you should not be seeing any hair standing at all. So right now I'm going back in with more pins just to reinforce the bun. I want it to be as stable as possible. And remember when I said that we should leave some 2 strands on the front, or I left some 2 strands on the front, then this is where I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the 2 strands to cover up the rubber band in the middle and to also give it more extra security. Then I take some got2b spray and I spray it on the bun, and with a rat tail comb I just comb that out and just make sure that it gets rid of all the flyaways that you can see on the wig. You see how smooth it looks like right now. So now the 2 sections that I separated earlier on, now I divide that into half. So I leave one of the hair for the curls at the front, and then I take the rest of the hair and I spray some Got2b spray and I comb it out and just make sure that it's laying as flat as possible. And I just use my hands to just grip it, and then I take some clips and I just use that to hold it. Then I comb out the rest of the hand, wrap it around the ponytail towards the right and just pin it down just to make sure it's secured. I do the same on the other side. Now I'm just combing the hair and then separating the section for the curly part of the hair that's going to be on the sides of the face, and then I comb out the rest and just make sure it's as straight as possible. And basically it's just the same step that I did over when I was doing the left side of the bun. So yeah, I take that hair, I comb it out a little bit, and then I take some pin and I hold that in place before I wrap the hair on the other side of the bun. So the wraparound makes it look a little bit more classy. So after I am done combing it, I wrap it now around the ponytail and I make sure that I use some bobby pins to pin that down and make sure it doesn't move throughout. So now we move to the front side of the wig. Right here I was just using some wax stick to put on the wig, and then I use some hot comb to just make sure that it lays my wig as flat as possible.